Hi guys, good morning. So today my plan is to organize my desk that I do my makeup on, I do my computer work on, with some stuff that I got from HomeGoods and TJMaxx. Okay. Let's get started. There's obviously a haul because I have some stuff in here. Something doesn't fit in here, so I'll show you. This video might be a 2-day thing. I have a lot going on. So let me show you what we're working
Today we're
with.
gonna clean off my desk and we're gonna try to organize it. It's really bad. I don't really know how to explain to you how it got like this, but I have no space to do anything besides like work on my computer. But after that, that's it. I don't have space to do anything else on my desk. I need to make the lighting better in here somehow, don't I? Winter gloves that my kids didn't even wear in December, and just medication that I was taking. I have CVS photo, a Disneyland mouse ear set, jewelry. Is that jewelry that I haven't worn? These are probably chokers. They're like necklaces, but like, why is it like this? Books, storage drives, what, skincare that I probably still won't get to for like another month. A really cute little charm that my son made at school. You guys, my desk needs clearing off because I need to use it. I need to use it for more than just being online. Ooh, airheads. And is this photos? These are photos. You've seen the mess. We need to clear it off and just get started. I'm gonna go get a different candle, try to make it a little bit more bright in here for you guys. And this is like in front of one of my windows. All right, let's put on some lotion because my hands are feeling dry, and then I'm gonna go try to find a light and try to find a way for me not to have like my back to you guys like the whole time, you know what I mean? I don't want my back to you guys the whole time. I'm gonna have to go find some sort of lighting situation. Yeah, let's get started. We're organizing today. I also need to do the little haul for you guys so you can see what I'm trying to put up here, because I bought some stuff at HomeGoods. So let me try to find the light before the battery dies. When I filmed a lot more beauty videos a lot more often, I would use this light. See how it's just like illuminated everything? I need another light because we're gonna get this done today. Hold on. It's way better. It's too high. Okay. I kind of don't even want to talk about what's going on under the desk, but just know, under the desk needs, it needs help too. Oh my, let's do the haul really quick. That way you guys know what items I'm gonna put up here, and then we can just take all this off. All right, so let's start with what I'm holding. So this is actually not from TJMaxx, it's from HomeGoods, and it's just a little jewelry organizer. It's by Cupcakes and Cashmere, and I like it because if I hang something here, it's not automatically gonna get tangled on something else. Long hanging items, they're not necessarily right up under each other. They're sort of spaced out by about like 3/4 of an inch each, which I like. And then there's little compartments for like, you know, watches, rings, and maybe backs to earrings over here, or earrings. And then I could put like necklaces here, bracelets can clasp here. I should have done it like this. I just did this little talking bit about what jewelry I would put on here and how I would display it. Couldn't see my face, I'm sorry. But this piece is gonna go on the desk. It would make it much easier to do more than just like the stud earring every day and the wedding ring or band. I maybe actually would reach for a necklace or another ring or some bracelet stack or something if I can see it. I can't see it with all this here. So that piece I got from HomeGoods. Let's look at the other pieces that I got from TJMaxx. Okay, let's, why am I being careful of this? What is this? Is this the, this is the computer charger? I can unplug this. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so I can breathe a little bit more. Well, let's undo this. the sales associate was nice enough to actually wrap something that's not glass for me, which is really cool. So let's see. Okay, so this is a jewelry organizer, a stationery organizer, a makeup organizer, what have you, by the brand Beano. I think you can see it there. It's got the 3 taller circular compartments for like makeup brushes or pens, whatever category of items you're going to put in here. Six separated spaces for bulkier, more rectangular, circular items. Now that I'm looking at this, I realize I have in mind, I actually think I have enough storage and organizers for jewelry, makeup, and stationery, like all separately, because I look at this and I'm like, oh yeah, I definitely wanted this for my makeup, the bottles, the little containers, the smaller items. These compartments are a little bit shallow. They're only like 1.5 inches tall, but I could easily just throw a mascara in there and it should work out. Maybe also a lipstick. I have the One Size Beauty moisturizer that I really like right now, the Hydrosculpt, would fit right in here. So I'm thinking 1 for stationery, 1 for makeup, and 1 for jewelry. So let's just see what happens. Okay, so now I have to clear this off. It's literally just gonna go, I don't even know where to put it, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna fast forward this part because I don't have a different angle for the camera. Oh my gosh. I'd been getting so many pictures developed because I just want to get all that stuff out of my phone. Like, it's my favorite like thing to do, is order photos online and then like go pick them up in person. I love it. CVS is like the best place for this. Yeah, CVS photo is like the best place for it. Lotion, a tall beauty product, shower gel. What my baby made for me at school. I love it.
I'm only going to replace items that I feel like I can actually use here. Like
these necklaces might stay here at some point. This hand sanitizer might stay here at some point. Beauty, jewelry, and stationery things. Okay, so these things I got at HomeGoods like not that long ago, but like I clearly have not used any of this. They need to get put into use. I'm doing the things, but sometimes I'll think back like, what did I do on Wednesday? And I just draw a blank. I'm like, for dinner we had chicken, but for the rest of the day I don't know what I did. I know I did stuff because I have 3 kids and a husband and a home to maintain. I know I did stuff, but what was it? It would be nice to write it down and be able to just review. So these things will probably find some way back onto the desk. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward it because for you guys, it could be boring for me to like sit here and make decisions in my head. Hold on. Oh my gosh, perfume. Do you guys remember? Oh, the KKW perfumes. This was my favorite. It smells like fig. Oh, I need it. I need to spray it on me like right now. This stuff like stays here somewhere down there. This is more. I love a high street buy. Like, these are just the scents I'm into. The Red Vanilla by Zara. It's spicy and pretty bold. It's like date night-ish. And this is just like, I don't care what time of day it is. I would wear this day or night. Look at these little tiny little storage bins that they sell at like Home Depot. So cute. May as well tell you guys my order. This is 100% venti iced caramel macchiato, and it's got light brown sugar cold milk. Ugh, I smell so good. I love it. Okay, let's see where we are. Okay, all right, not such a mess. Well, it is. That's not even true. This is a mess. It is. It is. Don't even try to act like it isn't. Okay, we're getting through it. Hand warmers. A bunch of winter stuff, like hand warmers and warm hands. You can tell I love my kids. I don't like for them to be cold. Printing photos, writing the number, uploading them to CVS, and printing them. Okay. What's this? This is all like, this isn't the stuff that I had. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my Blazy. A book, a photo, like maybe I'll keep this one somehow, but we'll see. You know you're a beauty girly if you've got lashes on your desk. Already cut, and I probably only wore them one time. I'm gonna see if I can reuse these. Money. Who still has money? Like actual coins. So this desk is from IKEA. I don't know how to pick up coins anymore, not with these nails. Finally, time to wipe the desk off. Okay, never mind this caddy of items here. It's like a mosh, mixed mosh of things, but we definitely all right, my arm is directly in front of the light, but you can see we have a clean desk behind me, and I'm very excited to put these organization tools on and to the test and to get used. The window is here. We're sort of backlit, so that's why things are a little bit dark. Okay, so this is organization tool number 1. I'm definitely going to be using this for makeup. I completely forgot I need to take off the tags. Like I accidentally left these on. So makeup, stationery next to the computer, because I work on my computer on this side. So maybe the stationery here. I only have one light to work with, so I'm doing my best. Let me get rid of some of the stickers and stuff. And then you're supposed to use like rubbing alcohol too to get it off a little bit. How was I gonna get my nail in this corner? How was I gonna do that? Oh my gosh, literally I'm growing so many gray hairs doing this. This is why I haven't done this, because no, that's not true. This is actually the easy part. The hard part is actually going back and organizing all the stuff that's on my bed now. I don't know if I told you guys, but we're in my bedroom. All the stuff that's not gonna go back on here, I obviously have to put it somewhere because I can't like sleep on top of it. I can't force my husband to sleep on top of it tonight either. So I really have to do something. Oh my goodness. The life of a beauty girly and her organization. The life. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Oh my god. It's so sticky. I'm so discouraged. I just want to quit. I just want to quit. This is hard. Like, I get that the end results will be like worth it, but please This is the type of stuff like I just want to have my husband do for me. Wow, that was tough. I'm keeping this close to my heart. I'm not gonna say I'm in love with the way these look right here together, but this is how I'm starting. It's what I'm working with. It definitely leaves a lot of room to work on the desktop. I have space for, I still have space over here for my computer, which I really need. So we're just gonna start with this little section of organizers. The tweezers have already made their way in. This is where we're leaving off. That's it for now, because I need to pick up my son from school. And yeah, it's time to go. That's all I got. Spray. I'm gonna try to finish tomorrow. I didn't have it all organized and ready to go. Hopefully I can finish tomorrow. That stuff is gonna work out beautifully for me. I've got a ton of stuff here that I need to add that I'm gonna probably end up doing tonight. All right guys, so, ooh, that made my hair feel so soft. Oh, nourishing dry hair mask. My hair is so soft. Ow. And it didn't change like the style, you know, it didn't make it heavy or anything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one when my makeup is all organized and I can actually use it.